everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how eyebrow failure can become a success. Actually I didn't want to be failed, but it was a failure because I followed the Vogue channel. You know the Vogue, various type of celebrities do various type of makeups in their own way. I just follow the Vogue eyebrow hack and it became fail. I don't know why it failed. It can be worked in some places or in some person. I just tried to draw and fill it my eyebrows with the pencil, a kohl pencil creamy base, and set it with the powder, and then above my eyebrows and below the eyebrows I just use a highlighter to highlight, but it became fail. And now I'm trying to make it success using some concealers. I use concealer to shape my eyebrows properly, and then I decided the kohl pencil should be used in my upper tight lines and lower tight lines. I'm using the same kohl pencil to define my eyelids as eyeliner, and after that I will use it to define my lower lash line or my tight lines. And you can see just eyebrows and just eyeliner or kohl pencil can enhance your eyes or make it more attractive, more different look. And it just kohl pencil or it just eyeliner that will give you a very gorgeous look after doing it. And you can see the difference between the before and after look. So just see, in this video I have no cutted a simple clip. I'm just uploading my full video without any cut, without any edit, so you can see what happens there and how I actually draw my tight lines, and how a kohl pencil can be eyeliner. So just watch the video, and if you enjoyed, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, give a thumbs up and share to your friends. Now watch the video.